Want to see some stunning nature views? Grab an ideal spot to chill out and unwind. In the end, I have to agree with Ralapali about the price. Going on a horseback tour at the Aurora Borealis in Lake Chelburne. You won't enjoy the view from the ground, just fly above it. So, if you're up for this adventure, you'll have to shell out around $100 per person for the ride. And remember to take your onion pickles with you, cause the air is super dry up there. If you're into spending thousands on skydiving, then this experience is definitely worth it. Just remember to bring your appetite for adventure, cause you'll be spending a fortune on this trip.